What if the path to true peace began with simply seeing things as they really are? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we explore pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to everyday life in the modern West. In the previous episode, we followed the Buddha to Sarnath Deer Park, where he delivered his first sermon and set the wheel of Dhamma in motion with the Four Noble Truths and the middle way. Today, we dive into the heart of that path, the Noble Eightfold Path, beginning with right view and right intention, the foundation that shapes every step toward liberation from suffering. Right view is the first factor, the clear understanding of reality, as taught by the Buddha, seeing the Four Noble Truths and the law of kamma in their true nature. It means recognizing that actions of body, speech, and mind have consequences, that suffering arises from causes, and that there is a way to its complete end. Without right view, our efforts can be misguided, but with it, every action aligns with wisdom, reducing confusion and bringing a deep sense of direction. Right intention, the second factor, is the resolve to renounce harmful thoughts, to cultivate goodwill, and to practice non-violence in heart and mind. It transforms mere understanding into heartfelt commitment, turning away from greed, aversion, and delusion toward generosity, loving kindness, and compassion for all beings. Together, right view and right intention form the wisdom group of the path, guiding the ethical and mental training that leads to liberation. The Buddha explained in the Magga Vibhanga Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya 45.8 that right view sees the noble truths clearly, while right intention purifies the mind's motivations. For us in the modern West, right view helps us see stress and dissatisfaction not as random, but as arising from causes we can understand and address. It encourages examining our beliefs, letting go of views that conflict, and embracing reality with acceptance rather than resistance. Right intention invites us to check our motivations in daily interactions. Are we acting from kindness or from self-interest that harms others? Practicing goodwill even toward difficult people softens the heart, reducing anger, and building connections that bring mutual peace. These two factors work together. Clear seeing inspires pure intention, and pure intention strengthens clear seeing, creating a virtuous cycle of wisdom. In busy lives filled with work, pressure, and digital distractions, right view reminds us that true happiness does not come from chasing more, but from understanding less is enough when the mind is at peace. Right intention helps us respond to challenges with patience instead of reaction, turning moments of frustration into opportunities for growth and compassion. Start small today. Pause and ask, what is my intention in this moment? And do I see this situation clearly? This gentle practice plants the seed for deeper calm and insight as the Buddha intended for all who follow the path. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore right speech and right action, bringing ethical conduct into daily words and deeds for greater harmony. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Magga Vibhanga Sutta, Samyutta Nikaya 45.8 at Sutta Central or Access. To incite free public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace as right view and right intention light the way to freedom from suffering in every moment. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. The Eightfold Path begins with wisdom, showing that true change starts in the mind, not in external circumstances alone. It encourages us to question our views with openness, reducing conflict, and fostering acceptance in a divided world. Remember right intention as the force behind every kind action, helping us build relationships rooted in goodwill rather than expectation. This foundation supports all other factors, creating a life of integrity and peace that benefits ourselves and those around us. The Buddha's path is practical and timeless, offering tools for Western beginners to navigate stress with wisdom and heart. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, the path to peace begins with seeing clearly and intending kindly. May you find inspiration in these factors to cultivate a calmer heart and clearer mind in your daily life. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. Right view and right intention together form the compass for the entire path, guiding us toward lasting freedom from suffering. His teaching on these factors shows that wisdom and compassion are inseparable, nurturing both understanding and kindness in every moment. By reflecting on our views and intentions, we gain perspective on our struggles, reducing reactivity and promoting acceptance in our ever-changing world. This tale encourages ethical thinking as the foundation, helping us build kinder interactions and a more peaceful heart in modern society. The legacy of the Eightfold Path invites us to start with wisdom, paving the way for deeper peace in our daily experiences and routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more awakened and compassionate existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore right speech and right action in greater detail. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The Eightfold Path's wisdom group is a beacon for those seeking relief from confusion, offering practical wisdom that can gently guide the mind toward lasting tranquility.